Today, I would like to demonstrate how to fill out a Google form. First, you need to log in to your Gmail account. Then, open the form you want to fill out. After open the form, you can see that an employee from a certain company has sent me this form. Let's go ahead and fill it out. First, enter your name. After filling in your name, the form asks for your email. Go ahead and input your email. Next, they are requesting your phone number here. Once you've entered your phone number, proceed to the next step. Here, they are inquiring about the level of job you're interested in within our company. I will select the Position 1 option, as I have previously worked in the company and have relevant experience in this field. Now they are suggesting to send a CV or write a cover letter. I already have a cover letter prepared, so I will just paste it here. After pasting the cover letter, you can click on the Submit button. Once the submission is complete, a new format will open, and your filled form will be sent to the person who shared it. If you found this video helpful, please like it and remember to subscribe to this channel.